The price of the Sandbox/Sand coin right now is $0.5301881. It's 10% higher now than it was 24 hours ago. The price of Sand ended higher than it started 49.67% of the time. One Sand has ever been sold for as much as $7.40 in our base, but that was 19 days ago, and the price is now 92.84% lower than that high point. Out of 17 technical indicators, 12 say to buy and 3 say to sell. Based on technical price analysis, the short-term forecast sentiment is bullish. The first big rising resistance for Sand is at $0.7004898. It needs to close above that level in order to keep going up. The bottom support is at $0.5079088. We might see the price drop even more if it falls below $0.5079088. If it can close above $0.7004898, on the other hand, it can go up to the next level of support at $0.7004898. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the last 14 days is now at 77.29, which means that prices are overvalued and could fall in the near future. The RSI is at 29.18 on the weekly chart, which means the price is oversold. Exponential moving averages show a strong sign on the daily chart. Right now, the price of Sandbox is above all of the 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200-day EMAs. 2 out of 4 times, the price of Sand on the last day of December was higher than the open price. 3 times out of 4 times, the price was lower than the price at the beginning of the month. In the last 4 years, October has been the best month for the Sandbox. 3 times as much Sand was sold at the end of October as it was at the beginning of the month. 3 times out of 4, the price at the end of September was less than the starting price. September is the worst month. For more information, look at monthly results. The Sandbox had 2 bull runs. The first one started in August 2020 and ended with an all-time high of $0.0820367. Just 68.04 days later, the price dropped to its lowest point of $0.0318028. It took about a year from August 2020 to reach the next all-time high. There have been 749 days since the last bull run in November 2021. It took 450 days for Sand to hit a new all-time high the last time. The Sandbox price estimate says that the price of Sand could reach $0.5990404 in the next 10 days. In the long term, we think that the price will be $2.15 in 2025 and $3.92 in 2030. Taking into account all of the past highs and lower timeframe predictions, the price prediction for 2040 is $11.71. It is thought that Sandbox will be worth $0.4376289 in 2024. That is the most that our forecast can say.